It was August 24th, 2024, when Trooper Taylor Elkins spotted an SUV speeding through a red light while fleeing from police. The trooper immediately activated his lights and sirens and joined the pursuit as the primary unit. Trooper Elkins quickly closed the distance and executed a pit maneuver on the suspect, sending the vehicle off the road where it crashed into a tree. The passengers surrendered, but the driver broke his leg.
How many other people are in the car?
Everyone in the SUV was arrested and taken into custody, while the driver was transported to the hospital for treatment of his leg. After receiving medical care, the suspect was also taken into custody without further incident. What are your thoughts on this video? On July 8, 2023, Trooper Rutledge was monitoring traffic on Old Covington Road when he observed a black motorcycle with no license plate. As the trooper attempted to initiate a stop, the driver, later identified as Robbie Regan, looked back, accelerated, and fled, initiating a pursuit through multiple roads.
Northbound Lake Capri. Driver's a white male, burgundy t-shirt, passenger's a female, green tank top. Coming up to Rock Bridge, we're going left on Rock Bridge. Left on Rock Bridge. Pleasant Hill Road.
During the pursuit, the motorcycle had 2 occupants and the suspect drove recklessly, passing vehicles in no passing zones and nearly causing a crash at an intersection. He continued fleeing through multiple roads, ignoring safety and putting others at risk. What would you do if you saw a motorcycle with 2 people driving like this at high speed?
Passing Smith James Road. Passing Smith James Road.
The trooper chased Ryder into a wooded area where he eventually stopped. After refusing commands, the trooper deployed a taser and took him into custody. The passenger was later located and released without charges, while the motorcycle was confirmed stolen. The suspect was transported to jail without further incident. On June 3, 2024, Trooper Brandon Cano was conducting speed enforcement on Interstate 4 when he observed a burgundy sedan traveling over 110 miles per hour in a 70 miles per hour zone. As the trooper attempted to initiate a traffic stop, the driver began driving aggressively and refused to stop, quickly initiating a high-speed pursuit.
Moderate traffic, passing the 121, I-4 westbound.
1328, can you provide an update at 1020 and what are the traffic conditions?
Moderate traffic, I-4 westbound 121. Light traffic right now, light traffic, passing the 121.
Copy, light traffic passing the 121. Any roads in the area that can be 51?
System 472. Speeds 115 miles per hour, passing the 120, light traffic. I got signal 12 charges and female moving.
Passing the 120 and your radio cut out after.
120 miles per hour. We're passing the 118, light traffic, signal 12, and speeding and eluding charges.
Template.
1 mile away.
10 for Sanford 276, Sanford, you on the 1031.
Passing the 119, light traffic. As soon as I get a chance, I want to pull it. I just gotta get to him.
Hi, copy.
During the pursuit, the suspect pushed speeds around 120 miles per hour, weaving through traffic, using the shoulder, and nearly causing multiple crashes. He even crashed into a box truck and kept going like nothing happened. At that point, it was clear the suspect didn't care about anyone on the road. What would you think seeing a driver crash and still keep fleeing at full speed?
Trying to catch up. We're still I-4, westbound 116, light traffic, 150 miles per hour.
Copy, 115 light traffic, 115 miles per hour.
There's a 1049 unit that just passed. If you can see if they can come back and look.
Can you up no audio on your last 1328?
10-4, I just passed the 1049 unit. You can just let them know what's going on. We're passing the 115 light traffic. Speed 115.
Tempo 1039 is at Volusia County Sheriff's Office.
I believe so. It was an unmarked unit. Approaching the 114. Center lane, 118 miles per hour.
And for I copy passing 114, center lane, 118 miles per hour.
Alert up. And I'm passing 114.
Sure.
Except for Capper with you get the helicopter. We're passing the 113 light traffic. Go right on.
Passing 113 light traffic, I didn't catch the speed it cut out.
112 miles per hour, but I'm right on the inertia down here.
10 for 100, how far out are you?
Passing 113.
Copy, you're passing 114.
112, left lane, 105 miles per hour.
Even after the crash, the suspect continued driving recklessly, making constant movements inside the vehicle and refusing to slow down. Multiple units joined the pursuit as the danger kept increasing with every mile. This wasn't just running anymore, this was completely out of control.
Traffic a little bit more moderate, but it's still favorable.
Did you have 1032 traffic? That's the form. You requested all that. I copied it. It's 1020. 86.
Troopers coordinated to slow the vehicle down, and when the opportunity presented itself, a PIT maneuver was executed. The suspect crashed into a concrete wall and even tried to ram patrol vehicles before being pinned and stopped. The driver was taken into custody after showing signs of overdosing and was given Narcan, then transported to the hospital before being booked into jail without further incident.